taking a trip through my old stomping grounds. Good old Lincoln County. Did you pack a lunch?
Mr. Rockin' Roll. He said, hey, good looking, what's going on? A whole lot of shaking and a simple song, and still there ain't no mountain high enough. He said, walk this way up around the bend, 'cause up there we won't get food again. And yes, he gets high with a little help from a friend.
curvy roads. That was 3 to 10 from Alum Creek to Huntington. And we're here at the Harley shop because Tim had to go in and buy oil for the Vintage because we might be going somewhere next weekend. We don't know. Anyway, if we do, I'll make a video. But that was a cool road. Here comes some motorcycles in. See them behind me. We'll try to get out of their way so they don't run over me. Motorcycles. Anyway, we're gonna walk down Roosters and get Tim something to eat. Catch you later. Record these and show them. This is cool. So Huntington has these little boats painted up, and they're all over the place. Come on, baby. They have these boats down here all the time, though. There's one across the street here too, but they're on like every corner, and they're pretty cool. They're all painted up different. Like here's one. It's pretty cool. It's called Stormy Waters. I don't know who it tells you there, the artist and everything for that one. And there's another one down here. See that one down there on the corner? I'll record it. And then there's one across the street from it. And you just walk through the town and they're just everywhere. It's pretty cool. I like stuff like that. People always look at you like crazy when you walk around video and stuff. But check that out. See that? That's the artist. Yeah. There's the artist on that one. No. Yeah, this one's got the artist on it too. There's the artist on that one. Anyway, they're all over the town. There's a bunch of them. That's like 4 of them. Here's 2 more, guys. We walked from the Harley shop down to Roosters. And now we're walking. And as we're walking, we're seeing these. So, I don't know. Here's the artist for that one. To the name of it. But yeah. Look inside of it, the detail. Oh, that's so cool. Here's another one. That one don't have as much stuff inside of it. They're all different. Here's the artist for that one. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, we got Tim something to eat at Roosters. This is his favorite place in Huntington, and it's in Pullman Plaza. Yeah, Pullman Plaza in Huntington. He loves Roosters. He can't go anywhere else down here without going there. But they have good salads and stuff, and I posted pictures of those, and he loves their wings. But their mild wings are like, if you've been to Hidden Treasures in Daytona, it's actually in Ponce Inlet, the same. Like their sauce is almost the same as the one in Ponce Inlet, which is Hidden Treasures. They did have Hidden Treasures. I think there's one at Rose Bay too. They did have like 3 or 4 there in the Daytona area, but I think they only got like a couple left now. But anyway, it's a good restaurant. But Roosters was awesome, so I will put the pictures above in my video, and we will see y'all later because my SD card is out of room, so I won't be taping on the way back home. So just remember, you only live once, so get out there and live fast and ride hard. Catch you later. Peace out. Alright guys, you remember I told you we were motorheads? So we're cruising up 60 back toward the house, and this guy over here, it's over in the corner. I don't even know how the hell he's seen it, but anyway. Car show. So here we go. And here we go. Old cars. Is that a 47 Ford?
Yeah.
That's the one that was in front of you, wasn't it? Look at that cool primitive. What do they call that? When they do the paint like that, they leave it like that. Patina, yeah. I kept coming up with primitive, but I couldn't come up with patina. Chevy trucks. What's it say? God needs a nice ride too. That's cool. That's a pretty color. I had to speed this video up. I had to speed this video up when I edit it.
How's it going? Hey.
Hi! How are you?
I probably should get me some.
Oh, yeah, ain't out for that price.
Any place sells them.
Huh? He might not want me to do that.
That's why I was asking him. I got a chance to buy him.
I got me a pair of shorts.
Seen not one old TA, have you? There's a kid fighting grocery getter. Alright guys, there was my bonus at the end. So if you stuck around and watched till the end, then you got to see the car show. So anyway, we are off on our way home. So remember, you only live once, so get out there and live fast and ride hard, and peace out. Catch you later.